Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Ancient Tome's Quark. These unique items are a fantastic addition to your Minecraft adventures, allowing you to enhance your gear beyond typical limits. They are not just ordinary enchantment books. They provide a crucial boost, taking your favorite enchantments to an even higher, more powerful tier. Understanding how to find and use them is key to maximizing your equipment's potential. Since you cannot craft ancient tomes, finding them requires exploration and a bit of luck. Your best bet is to delve into various structures across your world. Look for chests in dungeons, especially the more challenging ones, and scour village loot. Stronghold libraries are also known to be excellent locations for discovery. Sometimes, even completing quests for villagers can lead to these valuable tomes. Once you have an ancient tome, applying it is straightforward but requires care. Hold the tome in your offhand and the item you wish to upgrade in your main hand. Ensure the item has the specific enchantment already at its highest vanilla level. A simple right-click will then apply the upgrade, though be prepared to spend around 35 experience levels for the process. This transforms your gear, making it much more potent. The true power of ancient tomes lies in their ability to push your gear beyond conventional limits. Imagine having Unbreaking 4 on your pickaxe or Sharpness 6 on your sword, granting you a distinct advantage. These upgrades are incredibly beneficial for tackling tougher challenges and optimizing your resource collection. Mastering the acquisition and application of these tomes is a crucial step for any player seeking to truly maximize their Minecraft experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.